Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are trying out this jelly that I've never had, but I've had a bite of it. I've had a bit of it, but it tastes very, like, it tasted good, and it tastes very awkward a second later, and then it tasted good again. So it always happens. And by the way, subscribe to my new channel. It's called SBABTS. I'm going to change the thing so I can do vlogs on that channel instead of this one. So, you know, so I don't have to do it on this one. So I can do it on the other one. So yeah, welcome to SBA Vlogs if you're here. So yeah, let's try this. So, and also it'll be like a taste test type of channel as well. I'll do whatever. So I don't have to do it on my actual channel. So yeah, subscribe and like the video. Go subscribe to my other channel. So here we go. Probably the weirdest video I've ever made. But content. Favourite thing with jelly is this. Hang on. When you just like air it in. Why does this taste like mouthwash? It tastes like mouthwash. What? Hang on, let me have another bit. Come here. No, come here. There we go. Got it. I love that. I don't know why. Oh, it tastes better as soon as you just swallow it. I don't even know if I should be having this. Oh, it don't taste nice. When you swallow it straight away, it tastes pretty good. But when you have it, when you put it in your mouth, oh, it tastes weird. It tastes horrible. Oh, you know what? One more, just one. One more bit. I'm gonna swallow it straight away. Ready? Oh my god, I can't even get a bit of it. There we go. Ready? Ready? One. Bro, this is the weirdest stuff I've ever had in my life. That's weird, bro. No, that's going in the bin. I had a little bear on it as well, but oh, it tastes weird. Like, really weird. It does not taste normal. That's the weirdest stuff I've ever had in my life. Shall I do one more? One more? Yeah. I don't even know if I should have one more. It tastes weird, bro. Oh. Oh. You know, one more for you guys. I'm doing this for you guys, so you better like and subscribe. So I'm doing this for you. Oh, God. This is not nice. You'd never get this. I don't like it. Never having it again. Ready? One more for you guys. It's going in the bin. One more. For content. For you guys as well. No. Never having that again. At this point, this is going to go in the bin. Never having that again. Oh, it's horrible. No. Never again. Never. Nope. I don't care